Well, I have returned to Swakopmund and had a really enjoyable day at the dunes down in, going to Walvis Bay and then down the coast to Sandwich Harbor. It was good times, 4x4ing on the dunes and checking out the lagoon and the beach. Had a nice lunch. So, busy, successful, and fun day. Gonna spend the night, my last night in Swakopmund, and then tomorrow, ultimately I want to be about 6 hours drive south of here on the coast, but there is no direct route for that. So I'm going to be traveling about 4.5 hours inland to Windhoek, and then about 6 hours south to Keetmanshoop, and then about another 4.5 hours west from there to Luderitz. So it's going to be a bit of a journey. I think I'm going to take the bus into Windhoek tomorrow, and then maybe take an overnight train to Keetmanshoop, and then I don't know, from Keetmanshoop to Luderitz. I don't really know what that's going to look like. There's not really any solid transportation options, so I'll figure it out when I get there. Gonna enjoy the nice sunset and the beach. And see you soon. How about a little tour of my room? I've actually, this is my third night here, and this is the third room I've been in. They have normally these rooms are expensive, but they're having like an anniversary birthday sale on right now, so it's actually quite inexpensive. I have 4 options, or 3 depending on how you look at it, of places to sleep. Option 1, and/or option 1 and 2. Option 3 and 4. Nice big bathroom. Big shower. Yeah, good stuff. Unfortunately, I'm not going to get to enjoy sleeping in, considering I'm leaving early in the morning. But I have the evening to relax and enjoy and recharge, so that's what I'm going to do. Back in Windhoek, Namibia. Waiting for the train station to open. It's about 12:30 or 1 o'clock, so it's pretty hot out. Trying to stay in the shade. It's Sunday, so there's not too many people around, and by that I mean, very few. The schedule says there should be a train today, but then someone told me there wasn't, so we'll find out shortly when they open in a couple hours. Alright, looks like I'm all set. The train station office opened about an hour and a half early, which is great. Got my ticket. There is a train tonight from Windhoek to Keetmanshoop, so I'm happy about that. I think if you drive, it should take about 6.5 hours. On the train, it takes about 11 hours, which is actually really good because it's an overnight train. My accommodations are covered. The cost of my train ticket was pretty much what I would spend on accommodations for the night anyway. So, win-win. But now I have about 5 hours until the train leaves. I'm gonna head around, walk around town. I've already been here before, so nothing too new. But nice to maybe get something to eat and, I don't know, use the internet if there's someplace. But I think everything is closed because it's Sunday, so it might be hard to find a place, but we'll see. It's not as hot now. It's 2 in the afternoon, so it's a bit better. Okay, into town we go. Trans-Namibian Railway starts now. Might be other people, I'm not sure yet. We'll see. I bought this sleeping bag when I was in the Netherlands like 10 years ago. 9 years ago? I used it while I was traveling around at that time, but I haven't used it since, and it's finally coming in handy again. It's like a sleeping bag, but it's as thin as bed sheets, so it's pretty compact, and it's like a sleeping bag for the heat. And I now realize that it was good that I brought it, because linens do not come with the sleeping areas of the train, so I'm prepared.
During the evening, there was some commotion on the train. I went to check out what was happening, and it turns out the train was trying to make its way up a hill. The friction between the wheels and the tracks caused sparks, which ignited the nearby bush. I was told that the train had to reverse slowly, otherwise we risked the chance of derailing. The fire spread rapidly, and we had to head back to Windhoek. After some time in Windhoek, we were cleared to head out again. The fire put us 6 hours behind schedule.
Good afternoon from Keetmanshoop. Last night was quite exciting and makes for a good story for sure. So what I was told by a couple people what happened was that the train is trying to move uphill, and it's causing the train's trying to get a grip on the tracks, and it's causing the sparks to happen. And sparks are going on the side of the tracks, and that's what caused the fire on the side of the tracks, and that thing just spread like crazy. So the train had to continually back up to avoid the fire, because that thing was just spreading across the whole hillside like crazy. So it was pretty interesting to watch how fast that spread. You could say it spread like wildfire. Anyway, that put us behind about 5.5 hours. Finally made it to Keetmanshoop, which it's about 12:30 now, and I've been directed to come down this way to find a minibus shared taxi kind of thing to Luderitz. So we'll see what happens. I don't have a map or anything of this place. Yeah, you want? Yeah, so I'm hoping to find a bus that will get me there, because it's about a 4-hour drive. And oh, I see stuff coming up, so I think it's down here somewhere.